Coming up, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Stranger Things themed cake. It has lights, Eggo waffles and the upside down inside the cake. So keep watching to find out how I made it. Welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Stranger Things themed cake. If you're like me and you're obsessed with Stranger Things, I'm a huge fan. I think I watched like the second series in probably around 2 days because I just could not stop. I wanted to know what was going to happen and I cannot wait for season 3. Hurry up, season 3, come on. So yeah, I'm obsessed with Stranger Things and this cake has everything Stranger Things in it. It has the upside down inside the cake in jelly form. It's got Elle's Eggos on the side, and of course it has the lettering and the little lights that we remember from the first series. So let's get started on this easy recipe. Okay, so first up I'm going to make my cake. This is a gorgeous Victoria sponge cake. I'm going to put it into my tin, bake it off at about 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. You'll know the cake is done when you insert a skewer and it comes out nice and clean. I'll list all the recipe and the ingredients in the description below, so don't worry if you miss anything. So while our cake is cooking, we can make the jelly for the inside of the cake. This is of course going to be our upside down. We know that Will goes into the upside down, and I have made it in this lovely red jelly. So I'm just going to get a simple sachet of jelly, pop some cold water, pop some hot water in to dissolve it, and then when it's slightly set, I'm going to come back with some purple food colouring to make an even darker, spookier effect inside the jelly. So let's get started on that. Cake is cooled and come out of the oven, I'm just going to place it on a wire rack, and then when it's cooled completely I can hollow out the center ready for the jelly to come in. I want to save the top of my cake to place back on top of the jelly, and then I am going to turn my attention to my buttercream frosting. Finished adding all of the buttercream all over the cake and we find that it's nice and smooth, I'm then going to melt down about 100 grams of chocolate just for the top of my cake for a lovely decoration. I'm just going to put this into a piping bag, snip a tiny little bit at the top of the piping bag so that we get a nice neat lettering on the top of our cake. And then of course I've just used some Smarties. I've made up a waffle mixture. If you don't have a waffle maker at home, you could of course buy some ready-made waffles and do the same thing like I've done here on the side of the cake. I think it's a really fun, effective way to give that Stranger Things theme. So let's get started on the really fun part. It's the decoration. that's my super fun Stranger Things cake. I have had so much fun making it. I'm a huge Stranger Things fan, so I'm glad that I put it into a cake, and I really think it turned out really great. You've got all the things in there. You've got the upside down, you've got the Eggos, and you've got the lights. It's really, really fun to make this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial today. If you have, please do let me know. Give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Of course, comment below, let me know if you like it, if you like Stranger Things, and if you're going to try and make this cake. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Bye bye.